we remember and honor our school donor, Sri Pavluru Venkaya Chaudhary Garu, respected, young and dynamic, in the age of 60 also, above 60, looks like a 20 years age. Our school well-wisher, Mr. Uppal Samsarao Garu, and the best student of 1963, Mr. Samsarao Garu, and Master Mallikarjuna Rao Garu, Bhaskar Rao Garu, and all work-minded staff members, my dear students, first हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे, स्वतंत्र दिवस का शुभकामनाएं, स्वातंत्र दिनोत्सव शुभाकांक्षलु। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत की, बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत की। Today we are celebrating national festival, that is Independence Day, 79th Independence Day. This is called a national festival. This national festival celebrate irrespective of caste, creed, sex, religion and region. This festival celebrates throughout the country from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gandhinagar to Itanagar. Our country celebrates total 130 crores of population. Every citizen of India should salute to our national flag on today. So many brilliants, so many freedom fighters, they sacrifice their lives to get freedom on 1947 August 14th, midnight 12 p.m. Those names are Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, from ladies side also Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. One more person from Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Alluri Sitaram Raju, is one of the freedom fighters. He is called Aggipidugu. And there are 3 colors in our national flag. That national flag designed and prepared by our neighboring district belongs to our Andhra Pradesh. Mr. Pingali Venkaya Garu, we proud he belongs to our adjacent of Guntur district. He belongs to Krishna district. In these 3 colors, ఎగరాలి ఎగరాలి జాతీయ జెండా, పై పైకి ఎగరాలి జాతీయ జెండా, కాషాయపు రంగంటే త్యాగానికి గుర్తురా, ఆకుపచ్చ తెలుగు రంగు పాడి పంట గుర్తురా, అచ్చమైన తెలుపు రంగు విశ్వశాంతి కీర్తిరా. In these 3 colors, Mr. Pingali Venkaya Garu is designed. And one more, India is developing country than compared to other countries. In the population, our India is the 2nd largest country in the world. India is developing in science and technology and finance finance also, in growth also, agricultural growth also, and also education also. And our India, in this developing country, education is the most important to develop from village to country level. State government and central government are spending more crores of money to develop education. From 6 years to 14 years, education is compulsory. Free education, government is arranging. So, I request all మన ఉప్పల్ సాంబశివరావు గారిని ఈ జాతీయ పండుగను ఉద్దేశించి మాట్లాడాల్సి కోరుతున్నాను.